Welcome to RemedialOne YouTube channel. In this video, I'm solving question number 12 of Wassce 2022 November. Okay, let's start. A bag contains 20 balls which are identical except for color. 12 are red and the rest are blue. So we have 4 balls are picked at random from the bag, one after the other with replacement. We have to find the probability that one, the same color of balls, more blue than red balls. At least 2 red balls were selected. Okay, now this question is on binomial probability, and first of all, we have 20 balls. 12 are red and the rest are blue. Number of red balls is 12. Number of blue balls will be 20 minus 12, which is 8. So if you want to find probability of red balls, that will be 12 out of 20, which is 3 on 5. And then probability of blue balls, that will be 8 on 20, which is 2 on 5. Okay, so as I said, we use binomial probability. That's probability that x equals to small x, that will be n combination x, probability of success Q minus x. So for A, our P 3 over 5, our Q is 2 over 5. Okay, so we are saying the same color. The same color means implies all red or blue. So probability that x is equal to 4 will be 4 combination 4, 3 out of 5 to the power 4 times 2 out of 5 to the power 0 plus 4 combination 4, 3 out of 5 raised to the power 0, and then 2 out of 5 raised to the power 4. So that will be 4 combination 4 will be 1. So you are going to have 3 over 5 raised to the power 5 plus 2 over 5 raised to the power 4. And we are going to have 81 over 625 plus 16 over 625. So when we put them together, we have 97 over 625. Or in decimal, we have 0.1552. So let's look at the B part. More blue balls. Probability of more blue balls. That implies that you can have 1 red, then 3 blue, or 0 red and then 4 blue. That's more balls. Okay. So that would be probability. So here combination is combination 1, 3 over 5 raised to the power 1 times 2 over 5 raised to the power 3 plus 4 combination 0 here, and then 3 over 5 to the power 0 times 2 over 5 to the power 4. So we have 4 times 3 over 5 times 8 on 125 plus 16 over 625. So which is 96 over 625 plus, which is 112 over 625, or 0.1792. So the last part, probability of at least 2 red. Okay, so probability that at least 2 red implies that 2 or more, which is the same as probability of the x is greater or equal to 2. Now probability of at least 2 red is equal to 1 minus probability of x less than 2. Now this is the same as 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of this is equal to 1. So which is 1 minus 4 combination 0, 3 out of 5 to the power 0 times 2 out of 5 to the power 4 plus 4 combination 1 times 3 over 5 to the power 1 times 2 over 5 to the power 3. So when we simplify 1 minus, when we simplify this one, we are going to get 16 over 625 plus, when we simplify this one, we are going to get 96 over 625. So which is 1 minus, when we simplify this one, we have 112 over 625, and which is equal to 513 over 625. Or in decimal, we have 0.8208. Okay, so let's see how the scoring was done. So the first one, being able to make this substitution. So M1 for forming the equation, and then A1 for correct answer. And then for simplification, we have M1, and then the final answer, either 97 on 625 or 0.155. You get another 1 mark. So let's come to the second part. So for forming the probability, you have M1, and then correct one expression, you have A1, and then simplify till you have A1. The final answer 112 over 625 or 0.1792. You get A1. So let's go to the last question. One, for forming the probabilities, you get M1, and then for correct probabilities, you get A2, and simplify, you get M1, and then the final answer, get A1. Viewers, thank you very much for watching this video.